Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Leah Joy Cambota, your mathematics teacher for today. In this video, we will talk about the types of angles. But before that, we need to know the definition of an angle. An angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. Here is an illustration of an angle. We have ray OA and ray OB, which both have an endpoint O. Thus, we can form a figure using the two rays. The rays are called the sides or the arms of an angle, and the common endpoint is called vertex. There are three ways of naming an angle. One is using its vertex. The vertex of an angle is the common endpoint of two rays that form the angle. In this example, we have the common endpoint O. Thus, we name the angle O. Second is using the 3 points. The 3 points of an angle are the vertex point and a point on each of the angle's rays. But you must take note that the middle point must be the vertex. In this example, the vertex point is O, and the points on the rays are A and B. Now, we name it angle AOB or angle BOA. And third is using a letter or number. We can represent an angle by using a lowercase letter or number written within the opening of the angle. In this example, we use number 1. Thus, we name the angle 1. Now, the angles are measured in degrees using a protractor. The parts of a protractor are midpoint, zero line, and number scale. The three steps to measure an angle with a protractor are: first, place the midpoint of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. Next, line up one side of the angle with the zero line of the protractor, where you see the number 0. Lastly, read the degrees where the other side crosses the number scale. Now, let's proceed to the types of angles. We have right angle. It measures exactly 90 degrees. You can form a L shape to represent a right angle. Next is an acute angle. It measures less than 90 degrees. Draw your arms close to each other to represent an acute angle. Another is an obtuse angle. It measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Spread your arms to represent an obtuse angle, but make sure not to form a straight line or more. You can fold a piece of paper twice to form a right angle. The indicators will show you if it is a right angle, an acute angle, or an obtuse angle. Now, check each of these angles with a folded paper and write where they are right angles, acute angles, or an obtuse angles. For number 1, this is an acute angle. Next is an obtuse angle. Lastly, we have right angle. There are other types of angles also. We have straight angle. It measures exactly 180 degrees. Next is reflex angle. It measures greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Lastly, we have full rotation. It measures exactly 360 degrees. Now, I want you to identify each angle as straight angle, reflex angle, or full rotation. For number 1, we have a full rotation. Next, a straight angle. Then, a reflex angle. Once again, here are the types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and full rotation. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you learned a lot and hope to see you next time. This is your teacher signing off.